Finding winning products on Amazon doesn't have to take weeks. In this video, I'll show you how to use the Helium 10 tool to find profitable products to launch in just minutes. So as you know, Helium 10 is one of my favorite tools. You can also sign up for free. There's a link in the description and a discount. But what we're talking about is their Black Box tool. And it's an Amazon product research tool that makes it so easy for people to find products. And I want to show you it. But I just go here and then you're going to do Amazon.com, let's say we want to find baby products. So we're going to launch baby products. You can go into any category you want. I'm going to show you it in depth. But I'm just going to show more of an easy way to do it that needs some improvement. You just plug it in. Where competitors, there's medium competition. I want a product that sells for $30 to $100 with a monthly revenue of $10,000 or more. So you just plug in things, right? Like ad lib, you click search. Once you click search, it's gonna show you all of the data. And it literally shows me right away, this product, $67.99. They're making $90,000 a month. And it's a portable bottle warmer for travel, right? Things you never think of. So specific. On top of this, it only has 300 reviews. The reviews aren't that good, so it's probably leaks and stuff. If you are using Helium 10, you can actually analyze the reviews and it tells you why the customers are upset. So it uses AI, so that way you can make your product better and dominate the competition. Obviously, there's a market for this and people want to buy this, but you can make your product better. Right, so that's an example. Let's do another one together. So I'm gonna scroll down and we're gonna get very specific. So if you have a niche or maybe you love golf, you can kind of get specific and type in golf. But let's do tools and home improvement. And I'm gonna do drop down and we're gonna do safety and security. I'm also gonna do plumbing too, very specific niche categories. That needs, I'm just gonna put some improvement, medium competition. Let's do 30, I'm gonna do $100 and plus, and they're making at least $10,000 a month in revenue or more. So again, it's gonna look through all of these settings and that specific category. If I was a plumber, it'd be a great way to see. And we can see different drain cleaning machine. Bad reviews again, but they're making $92,000 a month. It's just insane how much they're making on these items. It's just a drain cleaning machine, right? So again, another area, if you had big bucks, you could do this, but we can also edit the filters. Or maybe we're like, it's too expensive. Let's sell something that's cheaper. So we're gonna say the price is a minimum of $50 and a maximum of $100, right? And then we can apply the filters and then it's gonna go through all of the Amazon products again and find us some specifics. Here we go. A 50-foot Steel Power Pro drum plumbing snake. Crazy. Again, people are buying this. It doesn't have the best reviews, so you can look through the reviews again and make the product even better. So very specific niche products. If you were a plumber or if you have a hobby, this would be the tool for you, because you could be like, oh, I know exactly what we need to do to make it better, and then potentially make an extra $13,000 a month, which isn't bad. Right? And you can see who the competitors are. This is literally from the Chinese don't know plumbing in the US. It's completely different. So you're only going to be competing against people from the US, right? We've got special safety glasses, right? Let's do it one more time. So let's go to back to Black Box. Let me see, how do I reset it? Let me see if I can reset it. Maybe I need to refresh the page. Okay, and then we can go super deep. Again, let's say we love, I guess, fishing. Can we just type in fishing? Okay, so fishing kayaks, right? Okay, so I'm just gonna type in that for right now. I'm gonna say there's a lot of improvement. There's low competition, $100 plus. I'm gonna do very specific and see if it has any competitors in this category, right? I kind of went a little crazy and there isn't. So, but what we're gonna do is we're going to say, okay, let's change it from price to $20, and they're making at least $3,000 a month. And let's apply the parameters and then see. So if you go too specific, you might not be able to find products. So keep that in mind. Let's just see what else. Review count, 0. Now I'm gonna apply the filters and we're gonna see again. I'm just going super specific. $3,000 a month. I don't even know what this is. It's a book. I think these are books that are making $3,000 a month. So again, if you go too specific, then it won't give you the data you want. I'm gonna do another one that's not as specific, but let's just say anything that's in sports and outdoors. I love sports. It has some improvement, medium competition, $100 plus. They're making at least 10,000. So again, I'm not gonna go crazy this time. We should be able to see some type of competitors that we can get. Classic soccer ball. Oh, wait, and then we can go more specific if we want. I just picked like some large categories, but you can already see the power of this duffel bag. You can already see the power of how this works. And then you can also search by keywords. So you don't have to do it like exactly how I showed you to do it. You could search it by keywords, search terms. You can type in a competitor, right? Let's see competitors. Let's see if we're trying to sell like a portable campfire. You can put the ASIN in, and then it's going to find other competitors that are related to their item. Niche, product targeting. So there's a lot of different, let's see, portable campfire. Let me see, search. Let's see if we just do that. I don't know if this one works. We'll have to come back to this one, but very cool. Product targeting, and then elite analytics. So a lot of different ways to find tools, and this is, in my opinion, one of the easiest ways to find profit. Like that plumbing one, I know for sure it will work. I also found this shoe cover machine, right? And it has bad reviews, but it's making almost $10,000 a month. Like you put your feet in and it does the covering. And then this one is great because it's a subscription service. So people are gonna keep coming back to buy these because they need more shoe covers. So again, another great item for you to sell. So we already found 3 items from the shoe cover. We found this, we found the drain cleaning machine, and then this 50-foot steel power pro drum, which is making sales and the reviews aren't even that good. So a lot of different ways to find profitable products fast on Amazon with the sales data. Have you ever struggled to find the right product to sell on Amazon? If so, what's been your biggest challenge when researching new products? Let's chat below, leave it in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like, and if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need any help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full A to Z Amazon account management service. This is where we'll fully manage your inventory, find products for you to launch, call Amazon, do your customer service advertising, design, product launch, increasing sales, and much, much more. The benefit of this service is so you can spend time working on your business instead of in your business every day, like calling Amazon or doing all this product research yourself. We can find the products for you, narrow the list down, hand it over to you, and you decide what to do next. We can also contact the manufacturer, launch it, all that fun stuff so you can save time, money, and increase your sales with ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.